Achieving success as a Muslim in today's world can be challenging, but with the right tools and mindset, it's entirely possible. In this video, we're going to explore 6 powerful Islamic traits that can lead you to success in every aspect of your life. These traits are not only deeply rooted in our faith, but also incredibly practical and actionable. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can start seeing real, positive changes. So if you're ready to embark on a journey to become the best version of yourself, stay tuned and pay close attention. Number 1, hold your own. In today's fast-paced world, Muslims face numerous challenges that test their faith, resolve, and perseverance. However, one crucial truth stands out: nobody is coming to save you. Success and achievement in this life require personal responsibility and proactive effort. Waiting for handouts, making excuses, and relying on others to solve your problems will only hinder your progress. Some might argue that reliance on Allah Tawakkul is fundamental in Islam, and they are correct. But it's important to understand that true Tawakkul involves more than just passive hope. It demands hard work, dedication, and consistent effort, coupled with unwavering trust in Allah's wisdom and mercy. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Tie your camel and then put your trust in Allah." Tirmidhi. This means we must take practical steps towards our goals while placing our trust in Allah for the outcome. To succeed, we must take initiative, set clear and achievable goals, and persistently work towards them, even when faced with difficulties. Developing skills, acquiring knowledge, and being resourceful are essential elements of this journey. Additionally, while independence is vital, seeking help when necessary is not a sign of weakness but a strategic move towards overcoming obstacles. Brothers and sisters, it is time to stop making excuses and start taking ownership of our lives. Embrace personal responsibility, trust in Allah, and strive diligently towards your goals. This balanced approach of effort and reliance on Allah will pave the way for true success and fulfillment in this life and the hereafter. Number 2, stay stubborn. Staying stubborn can be a double-edged sword. Its impact largely depends on what you're being stubborn about. If your stubbornness centers around ego, pride, or negative habits, it will likely lead to undesirable outcomes. However, if your stubbornness is rooted in your commitment to your goals, values, and personal growth, it becomes a powerful tool for success. Success is rarely achieved through a straightforward path. It's common to face obstacles, setbacks, and naysayers who doubt your abilities. During these times, maintaining your stubborn resolve is crucial. A clear vision of your goals is essential. The only true failure occurs when you decide to quit. As long as you persist and continue pushing forward, success is within reach. Conversely, compromising your values or allowing others to dictate your path results in true loss. Staying stubborn requires courage to uphold your beliefs even when they are unpopular. However, it's important to distinguish between constructive and destructive stubbornness. This isn't about being stubborn in a reckless or arrogant manner. It's not about disregarding valuable feedback. As Muslims, we are encouraged to seek knowledge and wisdom from those more experienced. Ultimately, though, you bear the responsibility for your choices. You are accountable to Allah for how you utilize your time and talents. Therefore, do not let the doubts or limitations of others hinder your progress. Number 3, lean on Allah. Leaning on Allah is a profound concept rooted in Islamic teachings that emphasizes both trust in Allah's divine plan and taking proactive steps in life. It involves surrendering to Allah's will, while actively pursuing goals and navigating challenges with reliance on His guidance and support. This concept encourages believers to maintain a balance between effort and trust, understanding that while human actions are necessary, ultimate outcomes are in Allah's control. Embracing Tawakkul, trust in Allah, fosters inner peace, resilience, and a sense of purpose, as one strives towards personal growth and fulfillment in alignment with Allah's decree. Number 4, expand your comfort zone. Expand your comfort zone is a motivational concept aimed at personal growth and development. It encourages individuals to step beyond familiar boundaries and embrace new challenges, experiences, and opportunities that lie outside their current comfort zone. By doing so, people can overcome fears, build resilience, and discover their true potential. Expanding one's comfort zone involves taking calculated risks, trying new activities, learning from failures, and continuously pushing oneself to learn and grow. This process not only enhances confidence and self-esteem, but also fosters adaptability and creativity, enabling individuals to thrive in diverse situations and achieve meaningful goals. Embracing discomfort as a catalyst for growth empowers individuals to lead more fulfilling lives and contribute positively to their communities and beyond. Number 5. Straight talk. In an Islamic context, refers to the practice of honest and clear communication grounded in the principles of Islam. It emphasizes speaking truthfully, with sincerity and respect, while upholding Islamic values such as integrity, compassion, and justice. Straight talk encourages individuals to convey their thoughts, opinions, and feelings openly and directly, avoiding ambiguity or deceitful language. This concept aligns with the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who exemplified honesty and straightforwardness in his interactions. Practicing straight talk fosters trust and mutual understanding among individuals, promotes healthy relationships based on transparency, and helps resolve conflicts effectively through respectful dialogue. It also encourages accountability and responsibility in communication, emphasizing the importance of words and their impact on others within the framework of Islamic ethics. Number 6. Ripple effect. The concept of the ripple effect in an Islamic context underscores the profound impact of individual actions and intentions on the broader community and society as a whole. Rooted in Islamic teachings, it reflects the interconnectedness of humanity and the principle that even small deeds can create far-reaching positive consequences. According to Islamic beliefs, every action, whether good or bad, initiates a ripple effect that influences others, shaping collective behavior and societal norms. In practicing the ripple effect positively, Muslims are encouraged to engage in acts of kindness, charity, and compassion, knowing that these actions not only benefit individuals directly involved but also inspire others to follow suit. This concept highlights the importance of sincerity, ikhlas, and intention niyya in all deeds, as intentions purify actions and amplify their impact. Conversely, negative actions and behaviors can also propagate negative consequences throughout society, emphasizing the need for mindfulness and ethical conduct in all aspects of life. By embracing the ripple effect positively, individuals contribute to a virtuous cycle of goodness and righteousness, promoting harmony, justice, and spiritual growth within their communities and beyond. This Islamic perspective encourages believers to strive for excellence in both personal conduct and social interactions, recognizing the transformative power of collective efforts guided by faith and moral values.